Hi, I'm Payal and you're watching the latest weather report for ANN 7. You can expect a hot summer day across South Africa today with chances of rain in some areas. Severe thunderstorms are expected over Eastern Cape Drakensberg area today. Southwestern parts of KwaZulu-Natal will receive some thunderstorms during afternoon hours, and in the northeast, it's a hot and humid day. In the northern interior of the West Coast district of Western Cape, extremely hot and dry conditions likely. And if you're planning to spend the day in the sun, make sure you slap on some sunblock, especially in Pretoria, Cape Town and Durban. Let's take a look at the minimum and maximum temperatures in cities across the country. Pretoria will be sunny to partly cloudy with isolated showers and thunder showers, a minimum of 19 degrees reaching 32 degrees later on. A mostly sunny day for Gauteng today. Expect some isolated showers and thunderstorms a little later. Starting off with lows of around 18 degrees reaching a midday high of 30 degrees. Slightly cooler in Vereeniging with lows of 17 degrees and a maximum of 29 degrees. In Mpumalanga, Mbombela can expect a partly cloudy Tuesday with isolated showers and thunder showers, a minimum of 19 and a maximum temperature of 31 degrees. Similar weather conditions for Polokwane with a low of 16 and a high of 31. In Mahikeng, partly cloudy skies with isolated thunder showers, a minimum of 19 and a maximum of 33 degrees. In the northwest, Raiburg can expect lows of 17 degrees and a very hot high of around 34 degrees. Bloemfontein in Free State will also be hot today with a low of 18 degrees and a high of around 33 degrees. Expect a partly cloudy day there with scattered thunder showers. Similar conditions expected for Kimberley today with a low of 20 reaching a high of 35. Uppington a scorcher today with lows of 20 and high close to 40 degrees. Some isolated thunder showers likely today, hopefully cooling things down a bit. In Cape Town, partly cloudy skies with a fresh to strong southeasterly winds, a mid-teen low reaching a maximum of 27 degrees. George will be cloudy today with some rain. Expect a moderate southwesterly at first and then a fresh southeasterly. Minimum of 18 degrees and highs in the mid-20s. Port Elizabeth looking partly cloudy today with some afternoon showers. The wind is moderate to fresh southwesterly. A low of 19 with a high of 25 degrees. East London will be similar to Port Elizabeth with minimum and maximum in the low 20s. In KwaZulu-Natal, Durban will be sunny, becoming partly cloudy. Expect some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. The winds are moderate southwesterly, a low of 22 and high reaching 28. Weather at Richards Bay is also sunny with isolated afternoon showers, a moderate northeasterly becoming a fresh southwesterly in the afternoon. Temperatures starting off around 22 degrees, reaching the early 30s later on. A sunny day is expected in Pietermaritzburg today with some scattered afternoon showers and thunder showers later on, a minimum of 18 degrees reaching 30 degrees. That's it for now. Here's a look at the forecast for tides.